Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I wanted to share 10 unique ways to hand letter the same word. Today we're going to be lettering the word thank you. Now, one way to create new hand lettering styles is to draw your letters differently in a different style or technique. There are lots of ways to change up your actual letter formation, but changing our tools and lettering supplies can also be a way to change things up. And even more so, a combination of the two things really gives us so many opportunities to create a unique and beautiful hand lettering style. That's why I think these types of exercises can be really fun and helpful, where we try to come up with a bunch of different ways to hand letter the same word. Now, I think that hand lettering is about more than just how the word looks. I think hand lettering can help you to tell your story, to share important words and meaningful ideas in a beautiful way, and to keep memories that might be close to our hearts. Those are just a few of the reasons why I love hand lettering. But when it comes to actually discovering your own style, coming up with a new technique, or developing and growing in your lettering skills, I think that lettering the same thing over and over in different ways can be a really helpful exercise. So I thought it could be fun to share some of these ways with you. If you want to practice these styles on your own or along with me, I will go ahead and make a free printable for you where you can trace these styles for yourself. I will link that for you in the description box below if you'd like to grab these and practice these 10 different ways to hand letter the word thank you. I will also go ahead and create a blog post where I share the products that I'm using in this video, and I will link that below as well in case you're curious about any of the supplies that I'm using in this video. I hope this video gives you lots of fun lettering ideas and helps you to create some unique and different hand lettering styles. I would love to see your recreations, so feel free to tag me over on Instagram if you do share them. You can find me at howtohandletter. And again, if you want to grab these free printables, make sure to check them out linked below or on my blog at howtohandletter.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for